When was the last time you heard the CEO of a bank talk about great value banking or freely admit that the technology will definitely fail? Never, because they don't. Well, Atom CEO Mark Mullen is more of a straight talker, and he's quite unconventional. Here's a preview of our longer interview to come, pulling holes in some of the myths that exist about how financial services is adapting to new technologies.
A lot of people get hung up on the semantics of challenger banks and neobanks and a whole bunch of, you know what, why don't we just build a bank, make products or make a customer experience and make a service, try and make the best one we can, try and make it different and better than what's out there already. Don't worry about challenging the establishment banks, because it doesn't really matter from a customer's perspective. I guarantee you the technology will fail. And when it does, you'll discover whether you have actually built a brand or not. Because when it does, the customer will come into contact with your employees. And they'll discover in that split second of contact whether they are cared for, whether their employees are well motivated, whether they've been well trained, whether they actually matter. The thing that's going to make the biggest difference is the banks that understand that their model is bust are the banks that have a better chance of reinventing themselves. If you cling on to the belief that the model itself, the current account wedge model, is the one that wins, I think you're going to lose. Because I think the technology plays will expose that for what it is, which is it's essentially profiteering out of inertia. Success for Atom is measured in lots of different ways. It starts from a quality ethic. Do our customers feel as though they get a quality service or a quality product or a quality general experience with us, right? Because if you haven't got that as a core platform, as a core foundation to your bank, then you're going to end up competing on price and price alone.